So let's talk about Aptos and SUI. First, we're going to talk about Aptos, then we will talk about SUI. Aptos is sitting at $5 right now, and I think I've covered Aptos previously as well. The overall performance of Aptos is in past few months is a beautiful Burj Khalifa pattern, and this is not just Burj Khalifa on its own. If we could look at it from this perspective, it is actually a triple top in its overall life, and where it is sitting right now is the neckline for this triple top structure, which makes Aptos really questionable. But that is around $4.4 or $4. We will look into it as what does the future hold for it from this point onward, because from this point onward it can go and create double bottom, but it always depends on the neckline. Can it go towards the neckline? Can it touch it and break and deliver and start skyrocketing to its starting price? Or it fails and it goes and it creates a new low. But all these things, they matter a lot. That Aptos initial journey was at $100. From $100, it went all the way down towards the area of $3.8. Of course, the initial price was $1, then it went to 100, and after that, there was a disaster. One of the reasons that Aptos became really famous was because of this crazy move that it pulled. It became the coin that did a 100x. Now let's talk about Aptos. Let me go and find it, as when was the last time we talked about it and what the hell did we discuss. Meanwhile, you can let me know among Aptos and SUI which one is your favorite and why. Okay, last time we talked about Aptos, we shared the support at $5. This was when? 2nd of April. Today is 5th of May. So it's 1 month and 3 days. Things have not changed. Shockingly, $5 was the support. It was going towards the $5. And of course, our first target was $6.5. Now let's see what the hell it has achieved in 1 month and 3 days. Aptos, where the hell did it go? Just give me a second. Found it. It actually lost the support of $5. It finally broke and it created a new low, and it went back up, and now it is testing the $5 support area again. So this is where we left it, and this was a disaster. I was not around to cover it. It has created a double bottom. Now $5 is the neckline of this as well. So now you have multiple reasons for Aptos to hold on to $5. If it doesn't, it will easily go down towards the area of $3. If it does, our target is still 6.5. Now, how do we know that it has lost the area of $5 as a support? If it goes below that for 2 days, closes 2 candles below the area of $5, be prepared for the $3 journey. If it doesn't do it, 6.5 is the next target. Now let's move on to SUI. So first, let's talk about its last 7 days performance of Aptos. It's down by 9.6%. Now let's compare it to SUI. SUI is down by 2.6%. So SUI defeats Aptos in the 7 days performance. Now let's talk about its technical analysis. SUI, I have covered it pretty recently as well, actually at multiple intervals. And SUI is pretty much very straightforward. Why? Because SUI has a support area it's a psychological support area at $3, which is this area. Now, as long as this thing is intact, SUI remains bullish from all forms of retracement that it can go and achieve. I'll show it to you. Where is $3? It is more than enough of a retracement with a little bit of a wick towards the area of 2.8, because it is the neckline of this double bottom structure. It is 2.8, right? Yeah. It can go and create a wick, but as long as SUI doesn't lose the area of $3 for more than 2 days, it doesn't close 2 daily candles with their body below the area of $3, we will continue to believe SU can go up. And when I say up, of course, our first target is going to be the area of $4. And after that, I can come back and I can let you know that have we started the journey towards $6 to create the new all-time high or not. And considering it's sitting at 3.4 here, from here to $6 is almost 70 to 80% move. It is more than crazy, and it's good enough. It has a bullish structure as well. This is a cup, this is a handle. So structure wise, it is good enough as well. But everything depends on $3. If $3 holds, then it's a moon journey. But if it breaks, then of course we are going to start talking about the downward journey, and the downward journey first will lead us towards $2. It is going to be a big drop towards $2, and at $2 we will see that can it get further bearish from there or not, but I will let you know. And that's pretty much it with SUI and Aptos. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.